Palladium against US dollar this week has felt in value, and we can see the price reach at this resistance level in the previous week, formed this bearish candle, bearish engulfing almost candle, and then returned back down to the first support level around 974, and then the price bounced back up, could not return back to the first resistance level, and then skyrocketed back down again on a Friday, where the price formed this bearish candle, which was also a bearish breakout to the downside. Weekly time frame shows us a bearish candle. I was not expecting that the price will return back down after this strong bullish breakout has been confirmed on the weekly time frame with this bullish candle in the previous week. This week the price returned all the way back down, where we can see there is still open space to reach 937 as a support level. Monthly time frame, currently it is showing us in the previous month a bullish breakout. Will this month confirm this bullish breakout as valid one? And that means the price should not close below 937. If it closes below 937, this will be indication of the failed bullish breakout, which means further decline down. But if the price stays above 937, a support level, this will be a validation of this bullish breakout, where it is expected that the price will continue to rise in value. For that, we have 2 weeks left in this month, so everything is still open. We need to go to the lower time frame. Weekly time frame do not show me much more clear information, but the daily shows us much more. 937 is very important support level on the daily time frame. We can see that here. If the price goes down in the next week, which I'm expecting currently, there is high probability that the price will return to the first resistance level and then bounce back down, reaching 937. This bearish breakout needs to be confirmed as a valid one. That means on a Monday, the price should not close above 974. If it closes above this resistance level, this will be indication of the failed bearish breakout that has formed on a Friday, and it will be indication of the further rise in value. What will happen, we'll see on a Monday. It depends on the daily candle close. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.